Lolita, look, Santa Claus came for you today. Look, see the box there? Oh, what is it? What is it? Do you think there's chicken in it? Look. Lolita. I think we're gonna get some interest in a few seconds. Come here. Oh, what is this? Oh, what is this? Oh my God, it's even wrapped. Oh. Oh. Wow, look at this one. This one's for Mommy. Cool. I can't wait. Another one. What's that? To Loli from Mommy. I think this is for you. You want to see what it is? Oh my God. Really? This looks like a chicken. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? That's one cool looking chicken, Loli. Want to see what else there is? Okay. Okay, let's see. What is this one about? I think it's for the puppy. I'm leaving on Friday. Hold on, I'm doing a little video. Oh my God, it's making noise. It's making a lot of noise, Lola. What is this all about? Oh, look at that. Oh, that's a big chicken. Yeah, look at that. I think there's another thing in the box. What is it, Loli? You think you might be interested by this? Yeah. Which one do you prefer? What is this one? See? For to Loli from Santa. Ooh. Are you licking it? Hey, where are you going? Come here. Come here. Treats? Is that edible? Is that edible? Loli, do you want to check it out? Okay. Look. I think we managed to open the... is it smelling like something we like? Is it smelling like something we like? Oh, yes. All right. How can we open it? Hold on, let me put this down. Oh, I think we opened it. Oh, yeah. Do you like the smell of this? Oh, I think it's good. I think it's passing the puppy test. Are you looking for more? Look at how beautiful these are. Naturally healthy canine treats. Kahlua pig. Another one to celebrate. Thank you, Santa. Thank you, Daddy, and thank you, Santa. Yay! Oh, you're so good. So good. Where's the other piece? Oh yes, here it is. Here it is. Daddy, that was so good. Thank you, Santa. Thank you, Daddy. Yay! Alright, we're gonna open the other one tomorrow. Yummy. That was good. Thank you. And then Santa's gonna be in France again for this one here. That looks like interesting. I can't wait. Thank you. Bye, Daddy. See, goodbye to you, Daddy. Kiss, kiss, kiss.